Have you always wanted to get rid of that stubborn belly fat? Yes? Then I'm sure you've searched for ways to do that on the internet. You may have also noticed that if you type "how to" on Google's search bar, the top results are for the question, how to lose belly fat. And Google sure has a lot of answers for this popular question. And I'm pretty sure you've tried at least half of those suggestions, including morning walks, cardio, daily workouts at the nearby gym, eating broccoli, lettuce, and kale, and drinking tons of water to avoid those hunger pains. Or even following the no food before bed rule. But you notice no huge difference? Disappointing, right? Don't worry, we've got a magic recipe for you. Only 2 ingredients, 3 tablespoons a day. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. And before we reveal it to you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Welcome to Living a Courageous Life channel, where we present top-notch tips and tricks for you to live a happy and healthy life. Please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more content similar to this. Before we move on to our secret recipe, let's find out why people desperately look for ways to lose belly fat. The 2017 statistics collected by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services revealed that there are around 91% of women in the U.S. who want to get rid of belly fat because they're not pleased with their physical appearance. The stereotypes set by society also pressured more than half of the college-aged girls to achieve a certain body weight. Even shocking is the fact that 42% of girls in 1st through 3rd grade have the opinion that they are overweight. But what makes them believe so? The answer is simple, and you probably know it too. It's the glamorous life of the slim, smart people who appear in the media and are considered as symbols of success, independence, and power in the society. And who wants to appear lazy and not successful? You're right, no one. This is the number one reason people spend their precious time and money into looking for ways to bid farewell to belly fat. And if you're one of those people who want to lose extra pound, you shouldn't be afraid of saying it out loud. It's completely okay to accept who you are. It is also okay to want change for the better. And obesity is not only about fashion, it is about your health. Extra body fat can lead to numbers of physiological, reproductive, psychological, and cardiovascular problems, such as heart attack, stroke, cancer, and diabetes. But worry not. No matter what's motivating you to lose those extra pounds, we've got a great solution for you. 3 tablespoons a day and you'll soon be on the path to a better life. You're curious, aren't you? Great, let's find out. Our first ingredient is the good old garlic, an ancient spice that does not only help you lose weight but reduce the level of bad cholesterol in your body. The origin of garlic can be traced back to the Persian Empire in 6000 BC. Garlic is well known for its medical properties, as described by an old Greek physician, Hippocrates. Hippocrates demonstrated the use of garlic in the treatment of common cold. I'm sure you've tried the garlic tea by now, and it does not even stink. How cool is that? Researchers have also found that garlic is a powerful nutrient enriched in antioxidants that helps prevent the development of dementia, Alzheimer's disease, heart disease, and common skin problems like acne. Not only that, the use of garlic as a mask to induce the growth of thicker hair is also recommended. Today, this low-calorie spice can also be found in the forms of cloves, powders, paste, extract, and oils. In order to see its therapeutic effect, you just need to consume a clove or 2 once or twice a day. Let's move on to our second secret ingredient. It's delicious, it's red, it's extracted from grapes, and it's the life of almost every other dinner party in the US. Yes, you guessed it right. It's red wine. I'm sure you heard that alcohol is bad for your health. Whoever said that did not know the facts. Red wine is actually beneficial for your health if you consume reasonable quantities per day. That is 3 glasses per week. It not only helps you get rid of extra belly fat, but reduces your body's cholesterol level. Oh, and its goodness does not stop there. There's more to it. It protects your heart, prevents your skin from the damage caused by the UV rays of the sun, and helps combat cold. No, I'm not done yet. The surface of red grape is a natural source for an important compound, resveratrol. Resveratrol controls the level of your blood sugar, maintains your brain function, boosts your memory, prevents the risk of developing depression, and slows down the process of aging to give you a long life. Both garlic and red wine are powerful agents that control the level of cholesterol in your body. Cholesterol is produced normally by your liver, known as the good cholesterol, that circulates in your blood. This type of cholesterol is essential for the maintenance of your health and other bodily functions. However, the food you eat also contains trans fat, which is a source of bad cholesterol. And as you eat more meat, dairy, and full-fat produce, the amount of bad cholesterol in your body starts to increase. To compensate for it, your liver produces more good cholesterol than you actually need, increasing the level of cholesterol to a dangerous extent. And as the level of cholesterol rises, your body becomes more prone to heart disease, strokes, and related health problems. And if you already suffer from high blood pressure or diabetes, the risk increases to a fatal degree. But we have good news. You can control the level of cholesterol easily. Garlic when combined with red wine creates a powerful elixir for your body that reduces your belly fat and lowers the level of cholesterol in your body. Not only that, this super drink helps clean your blood, stimulate your immune system, speed up your metabolism, and burn extra body fat. To make this powerful drink, take 12 cloves of garlic, cut them in small pieces and put them in a glass jar filled with red wine. Close the jar and place it in direct sunlight for 2 weeks. Shake the jar occasionally as you wait patiently for 2 weeks. At the end of 2 weeks, strain the garlic cloves and store the prepared liquid in a glass bottle. Take 3 tablespoons of this remedy once a day. Repeat this process for 1 month. The bottle can last for up to a month. After that, you can prepare another batch. Try this remedy for 6 months and share your progress with us. However, make sure not to take more than 3 tablespoons as excessive of everything is dangerous. If you're allergic to red wine or you can't take it, you can use plain water instead of red wine. Enjoy your drink. And let us know if you like our recipe in the comment section below. Share your ideas in the comment section below and feel free to ask for advice. Don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share with your beloved ones. Subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. And remember to always live a courageous life.